Have you ever noticed how a simple walk in the park can instantly lift your mood? That's the power of nature in our busy, technology-driven lives. It's easy to forget that we are part of the natural world, not separate from it, connecting with. Nature helps us slow down, breathe deeply, and find balance. Studies show that spending time outdoors reduces stress, anxiety, and even depression. It boosts creativity, improves focus, and strengthens our immune system. But beyond personal benefits, connecting with nature reminds us of our responsibility to protect it. When we feel close to the earth, when we watch a sunrise, listen to birds, or feel the breeze on our skin, we begin to care more deeply about the environment that sustains us. So, step outside, feel the ground beneath your feet, take a moment to appreciate the beauty that surrounds you, because when we connect with nature, we don't just heal ourselves. We help heal the planet too. Thanks for watching. If this message inspired you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more short talks about wellness, mindfulness, and the beauty of nature. Stay grounded and see you in the next one.